Hello everyone. So now this timetable for CBSE 10th board examination has been released. So the date sheet is here and let's see how it is. So the exams starts from 4th of May. That was already declared before. So on 4th May you have Odia, Kannada or lecture exam. Then 6th May we have English language and literature, one paper. On 10th May we have Hindi, maybe if it is course A or course B. 11th May we have Urdu or Bengali, Tamil, Persian, Bahasa, Thai, elementary, book key and accountancy. Then on Wednesday 12th May we have Punjabi or German. Thursday 13th May we have Malayalam, French, Russian, Urdu course B. Saturday 15th May we have exam science. Then 17th May is painting. 18th May is NCC, National Cadet Corps, Gurung, Carnatic music, Hindustani music. And 20th May we have home science. 21st May is mathematics, maybe basic or standard, any mathematics you have. Saturday we have Japanese, elements of business, Carnatic music. 25th May we have other languages, Telugu, Sindhi, Marathi, Gujarati, Manipuri, Assamese, Tibetan, Nepali, Limbu, Telugu, Bodo, Thangkhul, Bhutia, Spanish, Kashmiri, Mizo, Rai, Tamang or Sherpa. Then on 27th May we have social science. 29th May IT, information of technology or introduction to tourism or artificial intelligence, AI, IT. Then on 31st May you have all these papers: retail, security, automotive, introduction to financial markets, beauty and wellness, agriculture, food production, front office operations, banking and insurance, marketing and sales, healthcare, apparel, media, multi-skill, foundation course. Then on 2nd June you have Arabic or Sanskrit. Then on 7th June, last exam, computer applications. So we see here that all the exams are starting at 10:30 a.m. So you start writing your exam at 10:30, and in most of the papers you are getting 15 minutes reading time also. So you should be in the room at 10. And the exams are mostly 3 hours, some exams are 2 hours. So mostly 3 hours exam, except we can say the painting and the music ones, right? And IT, artificial intelligence, introduction to tourism, and these marketing, healthcare, apparel, like all the exams on 31st, and computer applications. So all these exams are 2 hours, others are all 3 hours. All exams start at 10:30 a.m. So I have noted down the dates for the most common subjects. Tuesday 4th May you have Kannada, Thursday 6th May English, Monday 10th May Hindi, 13th May French, Saturday 15th May Science, then 21st May Math, 27th May Social Science, 29th is IT, 2nd June is Sanskrit, and 7th June is computer applications. So here is the list of dates of most common opted subjects. You can make a note of it. All the best, start preparing, and see you all